I'm from here, but I've never lived here, which is the case for many of us. Our parents were the generation that migrated to the cities for work, and the opportunities that they saw there. I worked in Auckland as a curator at the Auckland Museum for 20 years, but I'd kind of reached a point in my career where, I'd kind of had enough. I'd had enough of city life, and I really did want to come home and contribute. And so I was fortunate to be able to be offered a role looking after the newly built Te Rauaroha Museum, which was also funded from the Provincial Growth Fund. That job enables me to contribute to this place, So I can come, I can live, I can be supported, I can support my family, but it also means I can bring my skills and experience to this place and just be here. It's different when you're embedded in the landscape, which I think is what this place offers. These are, these buildings that we've been able to refurbish and renovate. And that was something that, particularly with the church, that really resonated with me, is that my grandmother always said before she died she wanted the roof of the church to be fixed. And so I was like, what can I do? I knew it was a historic place, and was there anything I could do to help accelerate that so that, she could see the church in all its glory again. So it's everyone in their time contributes and plays a role. And so for me, I just see the time that we're here as just picking up that thread of ones before us, and then ones after us will pick the thread up again and carry it through. But what I want to say through my story is that it's enabled me to come home, it's provided me with employment, and it's meant that I can bring my skills home back into this community, not only in my day job, but in my night job here at home.